Chapter 7. Fractions. Get ready. Fraction means a part of one whole thing. The whole can be a region or a collection. Each fraction has two numbers. One is written above the other, separated by a line. The one above the line is called numerator, and the one below the line is called denominator. For example, 8 by 15. Here, 8 is the numerator and 15 is the denominator. Tick the figure which shows equal parts. Equivalent fractions. In the following figures, half of each collection is shaded. The fraction represented by the shaded portion of each collection is given alongside it. From the above figures, you can see that the shaded parts of the figures are equal to the unshaded parts. That means half part of each figure is shaded. So, shaded portion is equal in each figure. Therefore, the fractions represented by the shaded parts of the figures are also equal. That is, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 8 by 16. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. Divya ate half of an apple. Sanya ate 2/4 of an orange. We can see that both ate the same amount of fruit. Half and 2/4 show the same amount. So, we can say that 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. Hence, 1 by 2 equals 2 by 4. Keep in mind, every fraction has many equivalent fractions. Renu ate 1/4 of a pizza. Vijay ate 2/8 of a pizza. We can see that both ate the same amount of pizza. 1/4 and 2/8 and show the same amount. So, we can say that 1 by 4 and 2 by 8 are equivalent fractions. Hence, 1 by 4 equals 2 by 8. Example. Write next 5 fractions equivalent to 3 by 5. First fraction equals 3 times 2 by 5 times 2 equals 6 by 10. Second fraction equals 3 times 3 by 5 times 3 equals 9 by 15. Third fraction equals 3 times 4 by 5 times 4 equals 12 by 20. Fourth fraction equals 3 times 5 by 5 times 5 equals 15 by 25. Fifth fraction equals 3 times 6 by 5 times 6 equals 18 by 30. Also, 3 by 5 equals 6 by 10 equals 9 by 15 equals 12 by 20 equals 15 by 25 equals 18 by 30. Hence, the 5 fractions equivalent to 3 by 5 are 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20, 15 by 25, 18 by 30. Tricky maths. Look at the shaded regions and fill in the boxes. Example. Write a fraction equivalent to 3 by 4 with denominator 24. Solution. We know that 4 times 6 equals 24. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. That is, 3 times 6 by 4 times 6 equals 18 by 24. Thus, the fraction equivalent to 3 by 4 with denominator 24 is 18 by 24. Example. Write a fraction equivalent to 2 by 7 with numerator 10. Solution. We know that 2 times 5 equals 10. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5. That is, 2 times 5 by 7 times 5 equals 10 by 35. Thus, the fraction equivalent to 2 by 7 with numerator 10 is 10 by 35. Like and unlike fractions. Like fractions. 2 or more fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. 1. 1/4 region is colored. 3/4 regions are colored. 1/4 and 3/4 are like fractions because both have the denominator 4. 2. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5 and 4/5 are like fractions. Unlike fractions, two or more fractions with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 4 by 7, 5 by 9 are unlike fractions. 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 8 are unlike fractions because the denominators are not same. Comparing like fractions. Example, which is smaller, 3 by 8 or 5 by 8? Solution. The denominators are same. We compare the numerators. Obviously, 3 less than 5, thus, 3 by 8 less than 5 by 8. Example, Sonam and Vaibhav were painting a wall. Sonam painted 3/5 of the wall and Vaibhav painted 2/5 of the wall. Who painted more part of the wall? Solution. The denominators are same. Thus, we compare the numerators of the fractions. Obviously, 3 greater than 2. Thus, 3 by 5 greater than 2 by 5 or 2 by 5 less than 23 by 5. Therefore, Sonam painted more part of the wall. Ordering of fractions. To compare like fractions, compare the numerators. The fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. Example, arrange the following in ascending order. 5 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8, 1 by 8, 6 by 8. Solution. Since 1 less than 3 less than 5 less than 6 less than 7, therefore the ascending order is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. Example, arrange the following in descending order. 2 by 9, 5 by 9, 6 by 9, 7 by 9, 1 by 9. Solution. Since 7 less than 6 less than 5 less than 2 less than 1, therefore the descending order is 7 by 9, 6 by 9, 5 by 9, 2 by 9, 1 by 9. Addition of like fractions. When you add like fractions, add the numerators. Write the sum over the same denominator. Let's take any two fractions, say 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. Add 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. We have to add 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. We add the numerators and ignore the denominators because they are same. You will get the required answer 4 by 8. Example, find the sum, 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Solution. Add the numerators. That is, 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6 equals 2 plus 3 by 6 equals 5 by 6. Thus, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Example, add 5 by 13, 4 by 13 and 1 by 13. Solution. 5 by 13 plus 4 by 13 plus 1 by 13 equals 5 plus 4 plus 1 by 13 equals 10 by 13. Thus, the fraction becomes 10 by 13. Subtraction of like fractions. When you subtract like fractions, subtract the numerators. Write the difference over the same denominator. Consider any two fractions, say 5 by 7 and 3 by 7. Example, 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Solution. We follow the same process. We subtract the numerators and ignore the denominators because they are same. 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7 equals 5 minus 3 by 7 equals 2 by 7. Unit fractions. A fraction is called a unit fraction when its numerator is 1. 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 4, 1 by 11, 1 by 9 are all unit fractions. Proper fractions. A fraction with the numerator less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 4 by 7, 7 by 10 are all proper fractions. Improper fractions. A fraction that has the numerator greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. 5 by 2, 9 by 4, 10 by 10 are all improper fractions. Example: there are 5 children. Each child ate half an orange. Solution: 5 halves have been eaten. We can show 5 halves as 5 by 2. So, 5 by 2 is an improper fraction. Example: there are 5 seats in the car. All the seats are full. Solution: we can show the above as 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is improper fraction. Mixed numbers. When we combine a whole number with a fraction, we get a mixed number. Example: convert into a mixed number. Solution: the denominator suggests that a unit is divided into 2 equal parts. 3 equals 2 plus 1 suggests that all the 2 parts of the first unit are colored and 1 part of the second unit is colored. Thus, from the figure 3 by 2 equals 1 plus 1 by 2 equals 1/2. 1/2 is a mixed number. Example: express 7 by 2 is a mixed number. Solution: to convert 7 by 2 as a mixed number, divide 7 by 2. Dividend 7. Divisor 2. Quotient 3. Remainder 1. 7 by 2 equals 3 plus 1 by 2 equals 3/2. Quotient and remainder by divisor. Example: express 15 by 6 into mixed number. Solution: 15 divide by 6. Quotient is 2, remainder is 3 and divisor is 6. 15 by 6 equals 2 and 3 by 6. Example: express 23 by 5 into mixed number. Solution: 23 divide by 5. Quotient is 4, remainder is 3 and divisor is 5. 23 by 5 equals 4 and 3 by 5.